Independence means the freedom to be ourselves and to create our own destiny. This 4th of July, let's celebrate the privilege of being independent. One flag, one land, one heart, one hand, one nation, forevermore. On this day, let's celebrate our unity. This nation will remain the land of the free only so long as it is home to the brave. Let's strive to be brave in all our endeavors. We are the land of the free because of the brave. Let's honor their sacrifices and strive to be worthy of them. The strength of a nation lies in the homes of its people. Celebrate this 4th of July by remembering the strength that unites us all. Innovators, pioneers, dreamers, and programmers. On this 4th of July, we commemorate the signing of the Declaration of Independence, an iconic symbol of freedom. We come together today not only to celebrate the birth of a nation, but also the birth of ideas, innovation, and creation that thrive in our environment of freedom. Every line of code you write, every solution you create, is an embodiment of the freedom of thought and expression, the freedom to explore the depths of our imagination, and to manifest ideas into reality. The spirit of innovation and the pursuit of progress is not unlike the spirit of those who signed the Declaration of Independence on July 4th, 1776. Just as the Declaration marked a turning point in the history of freedom, your work has the potential to mark a turning point in the history of technological evolution. Every line of code you write, every app you build, every piece of software you develop, it's not just code. It's a declaration of independence in its own right. A declaration of your freedom to create, to change, and to make a difference. Your creations empower others. It grants them the freedom to learn, to connect, to explore. Like the signatories of the Declaration of Independence, you, programmers, are the architects of freedom, shaping a world where ideas have no boundaries. As we celebrate this day, remember that your contributions drive the spirit of this date: freedom, independence, and innovation. So keep writing, keep innovating, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The world is waiting for your next big idea. Happy 4th of July, and keep coding your way to freedom.